Welcome to February.
I know, it's cold outside.
Yes, but the Seattle real estate market is sure heating up.
And now, your Seattle real estate market update with Aaron Janus.
Before we get into the latest info about the market, in case you missed our last video, I wanted to introduce our newest team member. Welcome, Diane Davi.
Thank you, Aaron, but we have a lot to cover, so let's get right into those numbers.
All right, it's all business here today. Okay, these numbers are for the month of January from the Northwest Multiple Listing Service. We'll start with January numbers, and then we'll talk in more detail about what's been happening in the first half of February a little bit later on in the video. As always, let's start with median sales prices. In Seattle, we're at $745,500, which is up 11.2% year over year. On the east side, we're at $891,475, which is up 14.2% year over year. And if we look at all of King County, we're at $644,950, which is up 9.3% year over year.
Wow.
So Diane, let's talk inventory. How are those numbers looking?
Well, Aaron, starting up with Seattle, inventory is up 47% year over year, with pending sales up 34%. Now, there's currently 1.5 months of inventory in Seattle, which is crazy. If we look at the east side, active inventory is down 41% year over year, and pending sales are down 5%. On the east side, currently, we're sitting at 0.7 months worth of inventory. Now, if we look at all of King County, we're down 12% year over year, with pending sales up 6% over last year. We currently have 0.9 months of inventory in King County. So, Aaron, what's happening then with interest rates? Because I'm dying to know about that.
Yeah, so I'm glad that you asked. Thank you. So per Freddie Mac, for the week ending February 4th, the benchmark 30-year fixed rate average was 2.73%. Which is down 0.72% from the same time last year when rates were at 3.45%.
Wow.
Freddie Mac says that mortgage rates remain pretty flat this week and near record lows. So it's time for those weekly stats, Diane.
That's right.
So let's take a look at what's happening across the MLS, which stretches, of course, well beyond Puget Sound. All right, so as you can see here, new listings have outpaced 2020 every week so far this year, with pending listings on a significant upswing. Pending listings at this pace are the strongest we've seen since October, with year-over-year upticks between 8 and 32% each week. Just another sign that the spring real estate market has already sprung here in Seattle, and we're only halfway through winter. All right, Diane, so what does the real estate market here in Seattle look like right now, February 2021?
Well, Aaron, as we mentioned at the top, there's just 1.5 months of available inventory in the city of Seattle right now.
That's crazy.
I know, right? So what that means is if no more new homes came on the market, it would take just 1.5 months to sell everything on the market right now. If you look outside the city of Seattle, we're seeing even more activity and only about 1/2 month of inventory in Southwest King County. So this is areas like Burien, Des Moines, and Federal Way. We're only at 0.4 months of available inventory in the Southeast King County, and this means Renton, Auburn, and Kent areas. So another little fact to keep in mind here is of the homes and condos listed in the first 2 weeks of February in King County, 52% of them are reviewing offers right now. This is the highest percent of listings reviewing offers that we've seen in the 13 months we've been tracking this statistic. And of course, the homes and condos listed in the first 2 weeks of February in King County, if it didn't get any more interesting, 49% of them have already accepted an offer.
Wow. So what you're saying is it's a pretty hot market.
It is pretty hot.
That's amazing. Well, everyone, thank you so much. We appreciate you joining us for this month's market update. Thank you, Diane, for joining us.
Of course.
This is our inaugural joint market update. Let us know what you think, please. And subscribe and stay tuned to see what's next. Thank you so much. Take care.
House goals realized. JanusGroup at RE/MAX Integrity.
It's a tooth!